Good afternoon. It's January 28th, 2026, and we're a few days away from the monthly bar closing out. Um, it wouldn't surprise me if I don't think we're going to go much higher. So I think they're going to keep this bar to a small body that's similar to all of the bars since July. Um, so I don't see a whole lot happening in these last few days. You can see on the daily chart, we ran into some resistance. You know, right here, where we were anticipating resistance. On my chart, it looks like we came up just a bit shy of that, but we did close today with a bull body. And I'm realizing now I must have disconnected because it's past 3 o'clock and there's no new bar. So let me pause the video. All right, so we should, okay, it looks like we gapped down a little bit or something. All right, now it's looking like this closed bearish. So maybe, uh, my data turned off before um, the end of the day. But anyway, here's how it looks on the 17,000 tick chart. We were in this bear channel, I think, all day today, right? Today's the 28th, yeah, and that's the 28th. So yeah, we were just in a bear channel most of the day. Then there was this news item and kind of just went sideways. And then at market close, we had that uh, bear climax, and then yeah, we just rallied to close that close that gap. So it was a bear exhaustion, sell climax. So anyway, let's take a look at the 2700 tick chart. So you can see pretty well here. And you're coming up short of this trend line. So, it's always good to ask, do you move it to like here? And you're still coming up short. I do think this is probably where it is, but you're coming up short either way. Um, if you start right there, that looks pretty accurate. That looks pretty like prices were definitely responding to this level of support. Uh, so that could be it. Let's leave it like this for now. I mean, the market opens. Market opens. We just got to break outside of this bear channel right here. You get a gap above the EMA, gap below, make a higher high, and then we turn down. And you can see this kind of tight bear channel right here. I don't really see a whole lot that I like in here. After we get a break, though, we do get this second entry short. That's clear two-legged pullback. Um, and it takes a while, but it ends up being a good move. And, maybe you take this one as lower high. That's a failed second entry long, and prices are holding below the EMA. It's tough when it closes right in the middle of the channel. I really don't like that. And you kind of get a two-legged pullback right here too, but you're going into support. Hasn't really been a strong bear move yet, and so it's kind of tough to take that. You can see this bear channel. We get an overshoot, second entry short off the trend line. I don't like that. This looks like a bull channel. But if you are thinking that this is a weak bull channel, which it is, and you got three bars with stems on top, maybe you consider that. I'd say this is pretty aggressive. So we kind of make a double bottom, and now it's just clear you're in trading range, and you got this news item coming. So you got to sit on your hands. And I don't see, I think you can argue for this lower high. Well, it's actually a higher high. kind of a double top higher high right there. But I mean, it's so late in the day. I think you should just sit out. And you can see there's some volatility right now. Um, so yeah, that's how I saw it. I hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.